What's up, guys? How's everyone doing? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're at the gas station because, well, the Challenger is pretty low on gas. She was about 10 miles from E. But anyways, today we're going to be doing something really exciting, and we're going to be installing a modification, or well, we're going to be going somewhere to get a modification installed for us. And it's something that I've wanted pretty much since the day I purchased my Challenger. So let's go ahead and show you guys what it is. Here are the modifications. As you can see, we got 3 boxes. I'll start off with the small ones. These are from Evil Energy, and what these are, let's open the box. These are pipe reducers for exhaust pipes, and that's because we are going to be getting quad exhaust tips installed on the Challenger today. So the reason why you need these reducers is because the stock exhaust pipe on the Challenger SXT is 2.5 inches inside diameter, and for the tips that I got, they look really good, but they are a inlet 3-inch diameter. So this is the 3-inch side, this is the 2.5-inch side. So you get these so that way you can easily mount the exhaust tips. All right, now let me show you guys the actual exhaust tips. And guys, these look so freaking good. As you can see, it comes pretty well packaged. If I can move some of that stuff out of the way. And these are the tips right here. Look at that. It is gloss black. They are gloss black, and they are staggered. And they look really good, really high quality. I got these on Amazon from Tuner Bits, and the reducers I got on Amazon from Evil Energy. There will be links to all of these in the description down below. So if you're interested in these, be sure to go check that out, and let's go get these put on.
Some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome.
All right, well, there you have it, guys. We finally got those quad tips installed on the Challenger, and they look freaking amazing. It looks exactly how I thought it would look. And you know, I put in a lot of time and effort researching these tips because there are a lot of different aftermarket tips that you could buy for these cars. And I didn't want anything chrome. I wanted something black, something that would blend in real well with the color of the car, with the rear diffuser. And I think I made a great choice. So let me give you guys a closer look at these tips. These are staggered tips. They're 4-inch tips with a 3-inch inlet. So that's why we needed those reducers in order to mount these on. And they look really good. Huge shout out to Daniel at the 183 Muffler Shop located in Lockhart, Texas. He is the owner of that shop, and he's the one who did the work on the Challenger. He's a really cool dude. He's a really genuine dude. He's not just out to pick your pockets. He's gonna get you right, and he's going to do what he can to give you the results that you're looking for. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to let me know with a big thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe for new videos every single week. If you haven't already, be sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The links for all those will be in the description down below. Leave a comment letting me know what you guys think of these tips. And until next time, take care and be safe. Peace.